Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Practical Tajwid series. This is a kind of series of video courses or video tutorial that I want to put out there to teach you about practical Tajwid so as to help you in your quest for knowing the science of Quranic recitation and reading. So as you all know, when you know how to recite the glorious Quran with Tajwid, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to reward you more than the reward is going to give to someone that is finding it difficult to recite the glorious Quran. And one of the subjects that is going to help you in actualizing fluency, close perfection in your recitation of the glorious Quran is the subject of Tajwid. But the issue usually be that Tajwid is a subject that has a lot of rules and guide that has to do with how to recite the glorious Quran or how to read it. So sometimes the lessons are usually presented in a kind of theoretical way that you may not be able to relate well with it. So I want to try my possible best to see that I reintroduce the subject in such a way that it's going to be practical first, and even if there's going to be mentioning of something that has to do with theory, is going to be little. And also this particular course is for adults, and I do not think it's suitable for children. It's for adult Muslims out there that want to learn the science of recitation of the glorious Quran. And I would also be using this app, this Quran app. So if you can see, I have this Quran app. So that's because the Quran app is very good, and it doesn't really request you to it doesn't really have it doesn't pop up ad and disturb your reading of the Quran. I would sometimes snapshots. I will snapshot, and it's very close to the standard way of the Quran. So sometimes I will snapshot, and then I will work on the snapshots. As you have seen, you can work on the snapshots. So after you do this, you can, I think, to work on the snapshot is to, let's say I want to crop, so I can do this. Then I can say, okay, I want to share, and then I think it has some other edits, and then I can choose to send to someone or myself here, and then as okay, so I can write on it at this moment. I can write on it before I send. So this is the reason why I really love using this app. So you may want to get yourself this app so that we can be on the same page. Wassalamu alaikum.